Okay, folks, time for another adventure. Time and temperature check is 12 hours. Today is Tuesday. Temperature is 52 degrees. Got to go back down to Chehalis, to the GovPlanet yard. This morning I bid on a vinyl cargo curtain for a truck of some kind. So we're going to go pick that up. We're going to video some more stuff today. All right, let's go. All right, so one of my really good friends and a viewer of my channel suggested that I park next to this crane to get a size comparison. I have 33-inch tires on my Silverado, and look at the size of these things. And so, Ed, this one's for you. There's the Silverado. There's the crane. The yard is closed. And, you know, for those of you who are crane aficionados, here's the data plate. This is a Grove RT875cc. And you can pause the video looking at that. Sorry, it's pretty cold. Now here's your warning data plate about electrical and the boom on the crane. And this thing's got everything on it. Hang on. Okay. So we even have a hand signals data plate. And then the transportability data plate. And then the warranty data plate. Now these tires, here's the tire size. 29.5 by 25. So that's a 25-inch wheel. And this tire is almost as tall as I am. Look at that. Huge. So let's get a view of the winches back there. Compartment's open. Wow. Love it. Okay, again, another power line. Tells you how far to stay away from the power lines with the boom. And another hand signal chart. So, all right. I'm headed home. Oh, here's a comparison. There's my left hand in comparison to the hook on this sheave snatch block. Multiple sheave snatch block. Trying to get, there we go. Those hydraulic cylinders have to be like 8 inches, 10 inches in diameter. That's huge. All right, I gotta kick it for home. It's getting late. Huey Cobra, the H1. Stopped at a military museum on my way home. Missed the hours, but I'm getting this. I'm on a bit of a grassy slope, and I don't want to fall into the water down to my left. Just zoom back out a bit here. It's pretty damned impressive. I think that this jet here is an F-100 Thunderstreak. I'm not sure. Pretty sure it's Vietnam era too. Really fat rotor blade. I didn't know the cord was that thick, or I should say that long. Anyway, pretty awesome. All right. Well, what we're looking at here is a 5-inch deck gun. There's a little placard right there, but it's upside down. I read that this is off the USS Colorado, and look at that. The breech mechanism is still here. It doesn't look like it's been welded anywhere. So it's probably operational, but who's got the ammo for it? I don't know if this is a full-on cartridge gun or if it's projectile and bag. See, that's the placard right there. It says 5-inch 51 caliber gun, circa 1921, battleship USS Colorado. Pretty damn cool. Sorry it's through the chain link fence, everybody, but there we have it. All right. Guess I could get these two from this angle. Pretty cool. This isn't far from home, maybe about 45 minutes south. So I'll have to come down here when they're open, take the nickel tour. All right, everybody, today's Wednesday, probably about 12:15. I got home pretty late last night after doing some sightseeing. I couldn't really unfurl this thing at the GovPlanet yard, but This is an M series vinyl cargo curtain with rear end and front end curtains as well. The side curtains fold down or flop down over the sides. Cool thing about this is it's way bigger than I need. The length from the joint up here, you can see that clear waterproof tape over the seams. From that joint to the one in the back is 14 feet. And the length of the bed is about 10 feet long, and I need, I think, 11 feet 6 inches fore and aft. And then from the edge, the lower edge here, to the seam on the Chevy truck is about 4 feet. And in World War II, all the cargo curtains for the Chevy truck were in 3 pieces. There was a front and a rear, and then a main canopy canvas. And you can see that this thing's holding water. It did not leak much into my truck when we put it in the bed yesterday. So it's going to hold the water out and help protect the wood during the severe rainy and snowy conditions. So it was pretty cheap. I've seen them listed for as much as $850 to $1,000 for this, and my winning bid was $235 through GovPlanet. Of course, there was a buyer's premium and tax, and a credit card fee. They got everything's got a fee and an extra this and that when it comes to money, but it was just a little over $300, like $303.85 or something like that. And this is not something I'm going to jump into right away. I have other things ahead of this, and this is going to take some heads up thinking, because I don't want to just cut up 3 $100 bills just to throw them in the trash. Anyway, that wraps this video. Another good find, and thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a great day. Later.